Hello guys, Eduardo Ferraz here from CTI USA. Welcome to our channel. As I had promised to you guys, I came today and I'm going to give you guys 3 opportunities that you can make money working from home. So actually I was going through and search a couple of things and I got 5. Today I'm going to talk about the first one. So this intention here guys is to assist you through this pandemic. We know that we all go through this hard time. That's not easy, but we all can survive. We all can overcome that. And that's what we are going to talk about in today's episode. I'm going to give you guys a tip. How can you make money working from home? Virtual assistant. That's what I'm going to talk about today. The second one is online consulting. The third one, make videos. The fourth one, flipping. And I'm going to explain to you guys everything about that. So the 51 is Photoshop. I don't know if you're good with Photoshop, but you can learn. And the last one, which is most people is doing right now, is the YouTube, which is 6 opportunities, right? Today I'm going through and I'm gonna cover everything about virtual assistant. Okay, let's jump into the subject. Virtual assistant. That's why you're going to learn how to make money during this quarantine. That's the first option that we are going to choose. So basically guys, to become a virtual assistant, you don't need much, right? You need to take action, but you don't need much. And I'm going to go through a couple of things here that you may already have that's going to help you start this job. First, you need to be good with organization and communication skills. Are you good with writing, reading, right? Can you organize your life? Of course, if you have to organize somebody else's life, you need to be organized on your own. When you decide to become a virtual assistant, the first thing you have to do is take in a paper like this and then write down all the skills that you might have. For example, I believe you speak English. If you speak English, because we are talking here, of course, this is a good skill. You also can work from your own language. Let's say if you're from Thailand, you speak Thai. Let's say from Indonesia, you speak Bahasa. If you're from Brazil, you speak Portuguese. So you can be a virtual assistant doing work from your own language, and of course, because you guys speak English, you can take worldwide opportunities. A business owner, they are not going to spend so much time going through emails and then check what's going on in the agenda. Usually they're going to spend time growing the business, and that's when the opportunity kicks in for you that you want to work as assistant, virtual assistant. So you're going to be able to organize his life. You're going to be able to make appointments for his personal life and also for the business life. When I say personal, because some of them I send to you an email and I say, listen, I want to do a trip with my family, so can you go through and then look a place like this in a hotel. You might can be able, might end up booking a hotel, booking a flight ticket. So things like that, it's kind of what a virtual assistant does. If you have minimal skills, like basic skills, for example, you don't speak English really well, you're not confident with your English, you're not confident writing and reading, but you can do in your country, you have to check how much people make based upon hours. Like, of course, because you are going to sell time of your life, right? So usually the minimal payment, talking about worldwide service, right? Let's say if you speak English, you're going to provide service worldwide. Maybe you from Vietnam, you're going to provide service someone in Brazil. Maybe from Vietnam, you're going to provide service someone here in the United States. And you speak English, but you don't have much skills as assistant, virtual assistant, you might end up making $10 an hour. It's not a bad deal, right? Let's say if you work 3 hours per day, 4 hours per day, you can make $40 per day, which is not good. In the very end, you're gonna finish your month $800, $900, depends how many days you work. What do you have to do to get started? So first, you have to evaluate your skills. Let's say I wrote a couple of things down here, and let's say, as I was mentioning, we speak English, you know how to work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, maybe you know how to do and create videos, edit videos, you know how to use a Google Calendar, and also if you have internet skills like how to manage social media, how to answer questions on social media, depend the business, of course, who's gonna give you the opportunity is going to teach you the key, FN key, which is like a frequent question and answers. So if you have those skills, you're gonna write down and then you're gonna create a pocket, right? So you're gonna create a pocket. For example, if you are going to start and you're going to charge $10 an hour, $10 an hour, the basic one, right? So people who has experience, people who have done this before, they might make like $25, $30 an hour, which is a good amount of money. So let's say if you have all these skills, right, you're confident, your communication is good, but you want to start, you've never done before, you need to get experience. So what you have to do, so you're going to create a three pockets, three different products, so you can advertise yourself. Let's say for 3 hours, you are going to charge $30, right? If someone by 6 hours, you can charge $50. If someone by, let's say, 10 hours, you can end up charging $80. So in the beginning, it's extremely important you being seen, like people know you, people see your job, your qualifications. So of course, you're not gonna work only for one person or only for one company. As a freelancer, as a virtual assistant, you're gonna be able to work for many companies, for many different people. So this is really good. So you might have during the day a task working like 3 hours for this company, 2 hours for this company, 10 hours for this company. So that's the way they usually do. So what is important to do when you do that? You wrote down here all your skills, everything you know how to do it. Now you need someone who's gonna help you create an ad. You know what an ad means? You're gonna put your face there, you're gonna put a nice clothes, you're gonna smile. Now it's time to sell yourself, and you are going to start to prepare your ad. So by the time you prepare your ad, make sure you have your email written down there, you have your WhatsApp, ways that people can contact you. Of course, you're going to put your social media right there and all your skills. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Calendar, editing videos, answer emails, answer social media, things, basic things that you can do it. Once you do that, you can start to post on YouTube. Oh, you're gonna post on Instagram, you're gonna post those ads on Facebook, you're going to send on WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, everybody that you know they have a business, no matter what they do, you are going to give to them your ad. You have to promote yourself. So maybe you can put like $5 on Google and Facebook ads, and they're gonna boost for you. And more people will be able to see you. And every day you do this, and you start, everybody will see, say, listen, I do a job as a virtual assistant, so can you help me, can you help me? This is one way to advertise. Let's recap here. To become a virtual assistant, what you need to have? Organization skills, communication skills. And of course, you need to be a very disciplined person. As you're gonna work from home, you need to make sure whatever people give to you, you're going to accomplish. Usually people charge from $10 or $25. It depends how much skills you have. You guys work on a ship already. You know how to talk to people, you know how to approach people, you know how to make them feel good and they feel special. And maybe you never done this before, but because you speak English, you step up because, of course, in the very end, guys, we speak English. The word is yours. So create the ad. I just spoke right now. Right? Create the ads. Post the ad on Google or Facebook ads. Post the ad on your Instagram, WhatsApp, all the social media, and let everybody know that you are looking for opportunity as a virtual assistant. So let's say if you don't have nobody, but someone has a business, they don't have nothing to pay you, you can start. Why? Because you need to get some experience, you need to get some confidence. And as someone set up a Skype interview, as someone set up a Google Hangout interview to talk to you, so you're gonna get experience, and then you'll say, listen, no, I have done this, I've been doing like for the last 3 weeks, I've been doing for the last month, I used to work on a ship. So you are you outgoing person, you know how to sell yourself, you know how to figure out things. This is extremely important. Experience gives you confidence. If you don't have experience, it's going to be very difficult, so you sell yourself, but experience get knocking door. If you get paid first, great. If you don't get paid first, go for free. But you have to get started. Another way to advertise is going through a website, because of course, as you speak English, you have opportunity to work worldwide. You can work for company in the United States, you can work for company in Brazil and Dubai, New York, everywhere around the world, right? So how can you do that? I get 2 websites, like the best ones I believe, so you can apply and work as a freelancer. Actually, you don't have to apply, but you have to sign up. Let me open here so you can see what I'm going to do. The first one is Fiverr, fiverr.com. You're gonna click on here. You're gonna go to the website. I already signed up myself. That's why you see my F here of Ferraz of my name. I already signed up myself. But if you haven't, like you go first time in this website, you go to the website, You can sign up through your Facebook page, so it's going to be really quick. And then when you do that, you come here, become a seller. You click on become a seller, right? So they also can help you make a nice ad. They also can help you make a nice profile. So when people come here to see what you do, to see about your skills, you have a sellable picture, a sellable profile. People can look at you and say, oh, I want to try this person, right? So they're gonna give you like a quick preview about what things is, and then you can go ahead and go get started, right? If you have any question, you can start to read here. That's why you're gonna learn more, so you can understand about the platform. Continue, continue, continue. So here is the time when you are going to put your personal information. When you put your personal information, of course, you're going to put all the skills you have, your name, your email, how people can contact you, and then you're going to end up uploading your profile, uploading your picture in your ad. So whatever you might do, people can contact you through Fiverr. This is an amazing website. It's another one. I'm not going to go through the other one. It's called Upwork. You can work worldwide as well. So increase, of course, your opportunity to work not only in your country, but talking about many countries around the world. So these two websites, I recommend to you, Fiverr and Upwork. So you guys can go through, you can learn, you can kick ass and go get it, right? It's not easy, right? But if you push yourself, if you do something, I know that you don't feel comfortable to do something that's so weird for you, something, oh my God, may I do that? Try. Go try, you know, because that's when you see yourself say, oh, I thought that I could not do that. Look, I'm making money. So you might end up make over $1,000 per month. Initially, if you push yourself, yes, you can make even more. So that's it, guys. If you have any question for me, right, tomorrow I will be in our town hall meeting, and I'm going to give you guys this video probably today. I'm going to have to edit those, and I'll see you guys there. Right? We still have a couple of jobs here that I'm going to talk about next week, online consulting, and I know you can do it. Make videos, I know you can do it. If you cannot do it, you can learn. Flipping, everybody can do that. So Photoshop, it takes a little more skills, but of course you're going to learn. And YouTube, you can become a YouTuber, right? YouTube, it takes a while. Of course, you're not going to make money for the next week or next month, but it's something that you might end up investing on it. And I'm going to talk about all these topics on the next video, okay? Next video is going to be about online consulting, and I see you guys there. If you're new here, one more time, click on the button, subscribe on our channel. The intention here, guys, is to help you, give you guys a light so you can kind of understand what things you can do to overcome this time, okay? You are already a virtual assistant, okay? Let's go get it.